Hola! So I've put a quick tutorial together to remind you of the skills that you're going to need from the Year 12 Maths course. So I just wanted to remind you of how to divide a polynomial by a linear function. So here we go, let's go. The function that we've got there, the x cubed plus 2x squared minus x minus 2, is going to go into a bus stop method, similar to what you have lower down the school when you're working with purely numbers and no algebra. And the x plus 1 will go onto the outside here like that. So in the first instance, what we're looking to do is try to think about what would x need to be multiplied by to give us x cubed. The answer to that would be x squared, and to try and keep all of our work tidy, we try and make sure that the powers are in the correct column. So if I was going to put an x squared here, that would be in the same column as the x squared underneath it, that 2x squared. So then we begin to ask ourselves the question then, okay, or we start to write the values in, sorry. So x multiplied by x squared would give me x cubed, and then I've got 1 times by x squared, which would then give me a positive x squared. Lovely. What I'll do now is subtract these, and because I carefully looked at what do I need to multiply x by to give me that x cubed, I now have got these two at the front matched up so that they will become nothing, 0. They'll be eliminated, which is precisely what we wanted when we were looking at this. Then on the next part, I've got 2x squared, take away an x squared. That will leave me with x squared. Okay, so now I've got the x squared and I'm on to the next step. So I need to bring this down. I'm always working with sort of 2 at a time. So x squared minus x. And I ask myself the question again, what do I need to multiply x by to get x squared this time? So yeah, that's going to be a positive x. So, multiplying that out then, x times by x is going to give me x squared, and then 1 times by that x there is going to give me plus x. And again, I'm going to follow that same process of subtracting these and seeing at what I've got left. So the x squareds give me 0. Minus x, take away an x, be careful here, some people will write 0 because they see minus 1 and plus 1, but that is going to give us minus 2x, and then again, bringing that 2 down, I'm going to have minus 2. So my final question now is asking myself, what do I need to multiply x by to give me minus 2x? And in this case, yep, that's going to be minus 2. So I take it in turns to multiply each of these by that final value now, and I will get, to begin with, minus 2x, and then 1 times by the minus 2 is going to give me minus 2, and there I have got no remainders whatsoever. So the answer to the question at the beginning, what is x cubed plus 2x minus 2 divided by x plus 1 going to give me? And the answer to that is x squared plus x minus 2. So that was a very, very brief and quick recap of that skill from last year.